When you buy your InTouch 2, you receive a box with 2 modules. For the Home module, see the video to know how you can install it in your house. In your Spa module box, you have your quick start guide to help you for your installation, and the InTouch 2 module with a prepared wire. First, you need to turn off the electricity directly from the breaker. Then, take off your pack lid. You need to connect your InTouch 2 to a CO port available. Please note, this video was filmed with an NY ePack. As you can see, we only have one port left for our device. Take your wire and connect your InTouch 2 device into the CO port. Make sure the wire is well installed to avoid any problem when you will close the pack. Once done, put back the lid and turn on the electricity. If both of your InTouch 2 modules are well installed, the light will go from red to yellow to blue. A blue steady light means your 2 modules are linked and you can now set up your application.